Well, what's been going on for the last few months? Our son Matt bought a new place, so we've been pretty busy doing a lot of renovations on it, getting it ready for him to move in, and making it his place rather than what it was, which was pretty shabby. Um, Good bones, but definitely has needed some work. So that's what we've been doing. So here's a bit of a tour of the process. What you're looking at right now is just sort of how it started out. These are the pictures, the real estate pictures. The pictures make it look pretty good, but it sure needed some work. So this is a couple weeks after Matt took possession, and the work's already started. Here's the living room, and we've already started patching up the walls, making sure all the holes are getting filled. We scraped off all the popcorn ceiling, so that was a bit of work, but it's really made a big difference. And there was a big window there in the front where those arches, in between where those arches are. And that's what it looked like. Yeah, why that was there, I have no idea. But anyways, there was a big window, and that's all gonna come out. So that's in the process. Scraped the popcorn ceilings in the dining room as well. And pretty much anywhere there was popcorn ceiling, it was all scraped down. Here's the kitchen. Ceilings are scraped. It's gonna have some new LED fluorescents put in. And redid the plumbing with got rid of the poly D and put in PEX, and see some paint samples there. Once again, scrape the ceiling in the hallways. And this is Dylan's room. Or was Dylan's room. It's pretty much just a storage room, but it's going to be the second bedroom office for Matt. Kind of nice paint job, but not exactly what he was looking for. So that's going to change. Down the hallway, laundry area, redone. The washer and dryers gotten pulled out. Plumbing was redone there. And into the bathroom, the tub surround and vanity are coming out. Ceilings were going to be scraped, and the tub was going to be redone. It was in pretty tough shape. Vanity was pretty darn sketchy, so that's coming out too. And into the master bedroom. Nice big master. Needs a lot of work. They apparently kept their dogs in here, and so there's holes in the wall and scratches, and the doorway in is all chewed up, and the door jambs are all chewed up. But nothing a little bit of drywall and a little bit of time and energy won't fix. All right, we're about a month later, and here's what's been going on. Corner beads are all being done, walls are filled, holes are being filled. A lot of holes to be filled. Tubs come out at this point. Working on the bathroom, and the vanities come out. New washer and dryer in place. Lots of filling being done. Where there was trim is now going to be corner beads, and Dylan's room still pretty much just a storage room. That's going to be the last thing that gets done. But work is progressing. Kitchen has been walls have been prepped, corners and everything are all getting ready to go, and the big wall in the dining room, between the dining room and the living room, it's coming down. It's in the process of being removed. Holes are being patched in the living room. Living room's going to kind of bedroom's going to be first. Living room's going to kind of be towards the tail end. That's where we were as of July 23rd. Making progress, slowly but surely. Alright, here we are, August 14th, and the bedroom has been painted, ceiling's been skip troweled, all the holes have been patched up, and it's looked really good in there. It's nice to see it sort of starting to come together. Down here, hallway's been painted, and to the laundry room, laundry room and down has been painted. All the drywall's off in the bathroom that needs to come off. That's going to be replaced, and the new tub's going to go in, and the surround's going to go in, and we're just kind of leaving that for now until the tub gets put in. So yeah, hallway's painted, skip troweled the ceiling there. Dylan's room still a storage room. Kitchen has been a little bit of painting done in there along the wall. Up on the ceiling, the fluorescents have been replaced with LEDs, and we're moving along with that, and it's looking pretty good. Into the dining room, we're starting to get fully into tearing down that wall there, and we're trying to figure out what we're gonna do at this point with the wall that's there. It's not a load-bearing wall, so we're gonna put something up, but we don't know what. That's at this point was pretty much wait and see what we can figure out for it. But once again, progress. And this is August 28th, 2 months in, and lots of things are getting done. The bedroom is pretty much finished and complete. Floor's been primed and painted. All the electrical's been done in there, and it's all ready to go, waiting for flooring. Tub's in, yay! That was a bit of a grinder for me to try and figure out how it's going to go in. Walls are framed, ready for the new drywall, and the furring strips are going in, gonna be ready for tiling soon. Hallway was finished and is still finished. Dylan's room was a storage room and is still a storage room at this point. Kitchen is coming along. Walls are getting prepped and ready for paint. There's the new wall between the dining room and the living room. Looks like a nice upgrade. It makes way more sense. Going to give us storage in this area, chest freezer. We'll go in there, maybe a little pantry cabinet, not sure. And faux shiplap is getting prepped at this point and ready to be painted, and it's getting all painted, and will get put up on the ceiling. And the schedule for that was the long weekend, the Labor Day long weekend, to get that done. And so next video you'll see that. But that wall looks really good. August 28th, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more.